Hey guys, it's B-Box with another video, and today we're going to do a baking soda volcano. So it's going to be similar for the eruption, just like my last video, the elephant's toothpaste. It's going to be kind of the same thing. I'm just going to do it in two different ways. So first I have a water bottle filled with baking soda, and then I have a full thing that I just got, I'm pretty sure at the dollar store, of vinegar. So I'm going to pour it in and see what it does. I'm going to pour a lot in though, just because I also have two other bottles. Let's see what it'll do. Pouring again. I can definitely hear it. It's like sizzling. Whoa. Whew, I can definitely smell the baking soda. You can also pour some more in and it'll definitely erupt. Whew. It's not as consistent as the elephant's toothpaste one that we did, but it's kind of the same thing. But there's a lot more bubbles. The other one was kind of smooth and nice. There's going to be some water in here because it didn't erupt, mostly just bubbles. A little bit of water, but not much. And then just baking soda at the bottom, whatever's left that didn't mix in. So this is my first attempt. Now I have this. I'm going to fill it up with vinegar. It's basically going to be the opposite. So I'm going to have to put a pretty decent amount. Probably going to fill it halfway. Just like I did with the hydrogen peroxide with my other video. So I'll just pour it. That might be a little bit too much, but it doesn't really matter. I'm assuming it'll make it bigger. So I have a balloon, purple balloon, and it's filled up with baking soda that I put in earlier. So I've tried this before. It's gonna erupt, but since the air can't go anywhere, the balloon is gonna fill up a little bit, and it looks very, very cool. So just fill it up about halfway, put it on, but don't make sure to put it in, and then pour it all in. See, look, it's filling up. Look how cool it is. And then some of the bubbles may get into the balloon, like at the very top. But it filled up on its own because the air is pushing out because of the eruption, and it has nowhere to go, so that balloon has space to go. So then the balloon fills up with air, and then all the consistent water and baking soda is at the bottom, air, and then it comes up. Super duper cool. You guys can try at home. I love doing these experiments, especially because I have all the materials. And the best part is, once you make it something like this, I'll show you what you can do in a second. Okay guys, so before we just blew up the balloon, and now I have a pocket knife, and I'm also gonna pop this balloon, or water bottle, and see what happens. Whew, that freaked me out. Now the balloon cutting time. Whew, pouring out. Oh, it looks so weird when it's pouring out the balloon. It's like a little guppy. Now the other one, which has a lot of air in. It's kind of cool. This is so salty. I have like a cut on my finger and it's getting all over. Just be careful because the baking soda will like get in your cuts, or it will just smell bad, and it's just annoying sometimes. Okay guys, bye. See you with another video.
Boxing. Always think outside the box.